Grab an eraser, a soft pencil, and something to smudge it with. Load up your smudge stick with your pencil. Draw some palm trees blowing in the wind. Notice there's no detail here. Now with your soft pencil, very lightly shade the whole thing. And go over your whole picture with that smudge stick again. With your eraser, erase some areas where you want water droplets to go. Make sure they're different sizes and different shapes. Draw arches across the top. This is because the water inverts the light. You're actually drawing the ground here. Very lightly color in each drop to about halfway. And add a shadow. Now that all the large drops are drawn in, you can make some smaller drops too. And repeat the process. There's your drops on a window looking at a storm. For more easy art tips like this, please consider subscribing.